dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a topic from maths. Let's begin. Ascending and descending order. See first example. Cupboards of several different companies are on sale in a shop. The price of one is rupees 4,750 while that of another is rupees 6,200 and of a third is rupees 3,980. So see students, the price of the costliest cupboard is 6,200. Okay. And the price of the cheapest cupboard is rupees 3,900. So how to arrange this ascending and descending order? Let's see. The prices in ascending order are 3,980 is less than 4,750 and 4,750 is less than 6,200. Now we see this range how to arrange in descending order. The prices in descending order are 6,200 is greater than 4,750 is greater than 3,980. Okay students. Write the number 2,980, 3,000, 5,125 in ascending and descending order. Let's see the another example of this ascending order. We know that 2,980 is less than 3,000 and 3,980, the 3,000 is less than 5,125. This series how you write in descending order? Reversely. How it is? How come? 5,125 is greater than 3,000 and 3,000 is greater than 2,980. Get it? Very good. Now let us solve the exercise. Your question number first is write the numbers in ascending and descending order. First is 2,345, 2,349, 2,347. So tell me how you write in descending and ascending and descending order. Let's see. So students, 2,345 is less than 2,347 and 2,347 is less than 2,349. Correct. Now see how to write this series in descending order. 2,349 is greater than 2,347 and 2,347 is greater than 2,345. Now see the second example. See students, your second sum is 6,000, 570, 3,007. Okay. Then how you write ascending in this series in ascending order? Let's see. The smallest number in this series is 3,007. 3,007 is less than, tell me, 3007 is less than 5070. And 5070 is less than 6000. Then tell me how to write in descending order. 6000 is greater than 5070 and 5070 is greater than 3007. Very good. Let's see the third example. 5007, 2007 and 3007. How to write this series in ascending order? Tell me. We write this series in ascending order. Firstly, we choose the smallest number. Tell me, which is the smallest number in this series? 2007. Very good. 2007 is less than 3007 and 3007 is less than 5007. Okay, we arrange this term in ascending order. And how to write this series in descending order? In descending order, we write this series. Firstly, we choose biggest number 5007, then least number 5007 is greater than 3007 and 3007 is greater than 2007. Very good. Let's see the third example. Let's see the fourth example. 1009, 1900, 1090. Tell me fast, which is the smallest number in this series? The smallest number in this series is... Let's see the fourth example. 1009, 1900 and 1090. The smallest number in this series is 1009. So 1009 is less than 1090. 1090 and 1090 is less than 1900. So this is a ascending order. And how you write in descending order? 1900 is greater than 1090 and 1090 is greater than 1009. Very good. Students, now we see the fifth example. So, now tell me in this sum, let's see this sum. 4180, 6180, 7180. So, tell me first, which is the smallest number in this series? 4180. 4180 is less than 6180 and 6180 is less than 7180. Okay, and how to write this series in descending order? In descending order, firstly we choose a biggest term is 7180 and then 7180 is greater than 6180 and 6180 is greater than 4180. Very good. Let's see a last example of this exercise is 2917, 3456, 1357. Tell me fast how to write this series in ascending order. So students, firstly come the smallest number 1357 is less than 2917 is less than 3456. Now tell me how to write this series in descending order. 3456 is greater than 2917 is greater than 1357. Okay. So, students, remember one thing. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number, and descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.